Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan. Today we're going to make us something from my neck of the woods when I was a kid, and that's going to be a Jack-in-the-Box taco, the basic Jack-in-the-Box taco. It's very simple. Not so simple was trying to find how to make the inside ingredients. We used to call it goop because it really didn't look like meat. I don't know. I've heard different things, but I think I got a recipe now that's going to help bring back some memories for me and anybody else that had Jack in the Box when they were younger. I also had Jack in the Box about a year ago or whatever, the last time I went to visit Penny's parents' house. So Penny, we stopped in South Carolina and they had Jack in the Box. So I had me Jack in the Box, and I don't know how many years ago that was, the year before that. Okay, so let's get to it. I got something going ready. Okay, so as you can see, I got my cast iron skillet with some oil in the bottom here, see? Not much, there's not much oil in it. It's going to be very shallow fry, but that's going to be to put the tacos in. Here, I've got my ground beef. Like I said, I already started this. This is ground beef with 1 packet of taco seasoning and 2/3 cup of water that we're trying to get rid of the liquid. Maybe we don't want it too wet. This is my food processor that we're going to be mixing the meat up in. Some hot sauce, some 6-inch corn tortillas. There's my seasoning I put in the taco seasoning. This here is refried beans that I had in a container. As you can see, I got some lettuce and cheese. That's how basic this is. Back in the day, that's how it first came out. It was just lettuce and a piece of cheese with some goop. All right, let's get to it. Okay, I'm going to lower the heat a little bit now. I'm going to turn my oil on over there on the stove. We get that going. Turn it on low at first just to get it to warm up a little. Okay, this here, now this is where the beans comes in. Remember, we got the ground beef. Now you could probably use turkey too if you wanted. But anyway, I'm using ground beef. I'm trying to keep as original as I can when I found this recipe. And we're just going to plop in the refried beans. And this is not even close to what it's going to look like yet, folks, but I'm just trying to get this mixed in a little bit. And then we'll show you what we're going to do. This is the pretty close consistency of what the mystery meat was from when I was a kid. There was another recipe I found, but had way too many steps, and this guy, he put the stuff in the freezer for 24 hours. I mean, I don't know about that. But anyway, and this smells right now, it smells like so good. Okay, now I got that pretty well mixed up, and I think that's warm enough. We don't really need to have it really warm because I'm putting this in the blender, the food processor now. So, hold on. Okay, so trying to get you guys the best angle. So we're going to put this right into a food processor, and if you don't have a food processor, I would venture to say that if you had a stand-up blender, making a mess. It's all right. I'll clean it up with a dog will. Take your pick. But this is going to turn out. This is what we're going to want. So you guys watch. Watch what happens here. We're going to make magic. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to just turn this on real quick just to show you what we're going to start doing. And then I'll probably turn it off while I'm mixing it, and then I'll show you what it's done because this gets loud. And let me just turn this off for a minute. I'll put it back on when we're done. Huh? Okay, I don't know if you guys ever seen or had Jack in the Box, but hoping some of you might have, but this is perfect. I mean, this looks and smells. I'll give it a little taste test here in a minute. But it's everything, pretty much the consistency that you want. And if it is, this is so small, so simple. You guys are gonna love this, huh? I'll be eating tacos every day now until this is gone, right? Because the thing is, you don't put that much on them, you know. This guy, whoever, I think it was from Ohio, the guy that invented these or came up with Jack in the Box. He's long since sold the company. I don't know, been sold a couple times, I believe. But anyway, I love these things. I'll tell you, I'm gonna make mine. I'm gonna put like a teaspoon of meat on mine, and that was way more than you used to get. You used to get a little dab. But anyhow, let me turn this off. Give you guys, hold on. Okay, this is where I want to show you guys how this come out. It looks like I don't know. It looks good. Okay, now I'm gonna start putting these together. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. Okay, as you can see, I got my tortillas. I'm gonna pop them in the microwave real quick for a couple seconds. Okay, I had that in there maybe 10 seconds or so, maybe a little more. So now what we're gonna do, see, it makes them a lot easier to fold over, okay? So what we're gonna do is take a little dab, will do you here. Put that somewhere in the middle. I'll take a little more. You don't usually get this much. Okay? And we're gonna give it a little hit of hot sauce, because it's gonna be hard to get these open. We gotta get the cheese in there and everything when it's done, so. See, we're gonna press these edges over. Try to keep everything tucked away in there for when we put it in the pan, huh? Turn this off, it'll stay hot enough. But yeah, you didn't get this much meat, trust me. You know, you'd hardly notice it actually, but the flavor was there, but there was no real big glob, so to speak. Let me get these other two going. Got my oil just about all heated up. So after that, we're gonna pop them in there and let you see what we got going. Okay, I just wanted to show you, like I got everything ready, right? So we put the meat in, and then we're gonna just fold it over real gentle-like. Just squeeze down a little bit. And then this side, we're gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna toast these up until they get a little crispy. Hopefully everything stays intact. Be careful, because the oil's hot. Okay, so now we're gonna bring these over here. I think we got the oils good. Oh yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna bring this one here. Bring this one here. Watch your fingers, watch your fingers. Okay. Now remember, we're not going for a big time burn here. See what I mean? It just takes a couple seconds, not much. Each side. See? You gotta remember, your oil's already, your meat's already cooked, so what you're trying to do with these is get them a little golden brown. Downtown brown. There we go. now I'm going to take these other ones off here. These guys are done. And this is pretty much how you get them when you go to the store now. With a Jack in the Box, the restaurant style or whatever. But yeah, this is pretty much it. Now we're going to let these cool just a little bit because we got to split them. I mean, open them up to get the cheese and the lettuce in there. There you have them. They look nice. Hopefully we get them, you can open them up enough just to get the cheese in there and the lettuce. Okay, what you want to try to do is open these gently without cracking them all the way through. You're going to hear some of that. What you want to do, place your triangle with the tip up down into the taco. See how that looks? You got the tip here. And then we're going to slam it with a little bit of lettuce and just lettuce. That's all that was in the basic one. Now they do have a super taco, they call them. A bit bigger and had lettuce and tomato and cheese, and I think it even had a little dabble of sour cream in there, something like that there. So there you have it, my friends. Simple. And very close to being the original. Okay, so for now, this is Mr. Dan, we're out. So there you have it, my friends. So you have to taste test table. Blink. Okay, this is Mr. Dan at the table with Elmo, camera girl, and the dog, and some Jack in the Box tacos. So without further ado, I cannot wait. Top toast. I'll tell you, it tastes damn close to a real Jack in the Box taco. Nice crunch. The goop consistency, I think, is spot on. I might be missing a little flavor, but there's something that's not there, I think. But boy, this tastes good. So, without further ado, my friends, let's get down to business. When you're out and about, cover up, protect yourself as well as others. Wash your hands, wash your hands, wash your hands. When you're out, use that there sanitizer, the spray, the gel, whatever. Wash them up when you get home, wash your hands. Don't talk with your mouth full unless it's another tasty dish just like this. Don't forget, give us a like, share with your friends. And if you haven't yet, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell, and that'll let you know when we post another video. So for now, my friends, and yes, that dog barking we had in the background was somebody delivering, I don't know, some kind of a calendar or something, like itty bitty box, big box truck, and the driver and some girl delivering it to the door. That's why the dog was going crazy. But anyway, that's what we have her for. So anyhow, stay here, my friends. And when you are, come back and we will give you another dish just like this. Boy, this is really good. This is Mr. Don. We are out.